And that's why I said be careful. It looks to me like their target is between 40 and 42. I figured that's the conservative target that they're looking for. And then above that is probably good fortune right now. But this would appear to be the target zone that they've been looking at for now. And you can really see it over here. Daily chart trying to push, 15-minute chart trying to push, the 10-minute chart pushing, the 30 is pushing. So we've got room to go backwards, but I don't think that's in the cards right now. And what happens is they do a flush overnight into that megaphone pattern. Right, so this is what we'd had the other day. You can see where this megaphone pattern is going to end back down here in that 28 to 29 zone, right? Because we had talked about that 30, this area right in here being supportive at the end of the day. So they complete this overnight, and then they get it back up here above this 37, 38, and the attempt to drive right back up in here and test the breakdown. So that was why I said be very conservative right now if you're thinking short side. Just seemed like, you know, the game plan was to get back up and retest into that 42 zone. And if you're looking at, and I posted these for those of you who came in late, I posted these to show you what we had looked at last week. You know, at the end of the day, we thought this is the next zone perhaps to come back. And you can see the formation down here where you want this shoulder over here to work with this shoulder. And that was the point of this. So now we're attempting to test this 41, 42 zone. And today could be the day that we take this out. I don't know. I think pre-market, anybody gets to the 41 to 42 zone, you should take something for sure. But I think we have to look at this 60 and 120 chart as being supportive. So this 34, I think now is back in play as the key for the overnight sweeper, you know, coming back down into this zone. So let's figure for now this 33 to 34 is it's imperative that that area hold for today. If not, then obviously we go backwards. But for now, I'm looking at right as high as resistance. And before we're done, that's the target the boys would love to take out today. So two-way day if we get lucky. If we get lucky. And anybody that's playing long side, now a reminder, very aggressive if you are playing away from the gap. And oftentimes, the opens and closes could be interchangeable. And by that I mean at the end of the day, this very easily could have bounced into the close and closed at that 38. And today, I think just the opposite, that, you know, that these two have switched places in terms of a pivot. So now this is going to become our major focus today, this 38. Anyways, that's what I'm thinking, and, you know, anything you take short side, assume that we're scalping against the push, and the luck part is to get back under this 34. And I'm hoping for a two-way day. I'm hoping that we can largely spend some time in between Friday's high and say this 34 to 33 zone. To get back down here again, that's good news for the shorts, but it's still not conclusive. So pre-market, if you're playing, look for a couple of points, get on the scoreboard, and Well, let's hope for a two-way day. The biggie right now in my mind is this chart right here. It's a 5-minute chart. You can see how messy it's getting. And the rain line is at 37.5 zone. So depending on where we open for at 9:30, below this 37.5 will actually help the shorts a bit, and above it will help the longs, in my opinion.